What is a plant-based diet?
A plant-based diet focuses on foods primarily from plants like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It doesn't always mean you have to avoid all animal products, but plants are at the center of your plate. Many people adopt plant-based diets for health, environmental, or ethical reasons.
Common myths about plant-based diets.
A major myth is that plant-based diets lack enough protein. In reality, a variety of plant foods, such as beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa, can provide all the protein you need. Another myth is that these diets are bland or unsatisfying, but with the right recipes, meals can be flavorful, colorful, and filling.
Key benefits backed by science.
Plant-based diets have been linked to lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. They tend to be rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, while being lower in saturated fat. Many people also report improved digestion and higher energy when they focus on whole plant foods.
Potential pitfalls and how to avoid them.
A plant-based diet can lack nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3s if not planned carefully. You can avoid deficiencies by including fortified foods, regularly eating greens and nuts, and considering supplements for certain nutrients. Eating a wide variety of foods helps ensure you get everything your body needs.
Tips for beginners embracing plant-based eating.
Start slowly by adding more plant foods to each meal. Experiment with new grains, beans, and vegetables. Prepare simple swaps, like plant-based milks or meat alternatives. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you're unsure, consult with a nutrition professional for personalized guidance and support.